In this video, we're going to show you how to use PhoneSoap Pro, our fastest consumer sanitation device yet. In the box, you'll have your PhoneSoap Pro and this USB-C power adapter. Plug in the adapter to the USB-C in port. Place your phone inside and close the lid. The indicator light will illuminate, indicating the sanitation has begun. Easy. PhoneSoap Pro has two different settings for the sanitation cycle, manual and automatic. To switch between the two, simply hold down on the indicator light for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. When in manual mode, the cycle will start after the indicator light is pressed. In automatic mode, the cycle will automatically start once the lid is closed. Just like our other devices, the indicator light will turn off when the cycle is finished. 2 charging ports in the back allow you to sanitize and charge at the same time. In addition to your phone, use the extra port to charge an additional device, like a tablet or a smartwatch. Once the sanitation cycle is complete, your devices will continue to charge. Underneath the unit are acoustic pass-throughs that allow you to hear notifications while your phone is inside. There are 4 Nano suction feet that will keep PhoneSoap Pro firmly planted. Simply remove the plastic film on each after unboxing. If you need to move it, just pull up. There will be some resistance, but it won't damage the unit. If the feet ever begin to lose suction, wipe a drop of water on each of the feet and allow to dry. PhoneSoap Pro also has a large sanitizing bay, so it works great with bigger phones, cases, and accessories. PhoneSoap Pro, the safest, most effective way to clean your phone.